Hey everyone, my name is Anant, and today I would be helping you and giving a demonstration of the product where you can create your own e-commerce or an online store at just sitting at your home with just few clicks. So this platform is hosted over the cloud. That means you wouldn't face any downtime issue, right? Everything would be taken care by this product, right? You just need to create your application or an website and you would be good to go. Everything this website will provide you, you can see here the inventory and order tracking. It will provide you a backend enabled dashboard that will help you to do the changes of whatever you want to do, right? So now let's get started and see how it looks like. So I'm creating a new website with the power of AI. I want to create an online store, so I'm selecting an online store. So now it is asking me what is your store type. So as of now I want a computer store for myself. If you have any business, you can, according to that you can select any of the categories. So as of now I will select now my product, and before that I would select a website theme. So let's take an ocean and to the next screen. So as of now it is asking me what language you want to create your website with. So I'm selecting English, right? What store name you want to select. As of now I want my e-commerce store as test version 1, so I'm selecting this would be a random couple of words just to make sure that we are creating and how it would looks like. You can make the changes according to yourself. Even if you want AI to write for you, this feature is also enabled for you. So you can see everything would be provided by the AI. You just need to enter few details and you would be good to go. So products, as of now I'm just selecting random words. You do not go with the words that I'm selecting, just for the testing purpose and giving you a demonstration for this product. So now I'm just doing finalize. So it is now asking me that your website is waiting for you, so create an account. So I am now creating a new account, just a random word, say John Wick. I'm just selecting John Wick at the rate. It's a dummy account that I'm using. So you can create your own personal account and it will help you to set up and help you to make the changes of your product, right? So let's do sign up. So it is now loading and it will now display us how your product would looks like. So it is now fetching the data from the backend, that what all the pages that we have created, product images, home pages, layout, everything is just completing it from the backend. And now it will us redirect to a page that how our website looks like. And even once the website would be completed, you would get an admin or dashboard page where if any correction of the images that you want, any prices changes, if any product is continued, or how much quantity you have for that product, how much you can deliver, at which place you can deliver, so everything you can manage at your end. And just by sitting at your home you can do business online. You do not need any physical office to do so, right? So congrats, our website is ready. So now let's preview and edit the website. Before that, now I will show you the dashboard, that how this dashboard looks like. And the screen populates about the packages that this uh, team is delivering, 10 web is giving to you, and what all the benefits that you are getting over the package. So if you are e-commerce store and the starter, then this is for you. $11 plan and you will be billed annually. And if you want the premium features, you can go with $23 plan per annum, right? If you want monthly, then here are the changes. See what you all the details in the benefits you would get over the plans that you choose. You would get a Google Cloud hosting, you would get a custom domain, right? You can select your own templates. You would get 30,000 monthly visitors and 10 GB of SSD storage and a live support. You can do marketing by SEO, right? And this premium version would load more faster. It will have more generated traffic. It would have more storage. it will be having a free SSL certificate. So at whatever plan that you select, you will get the benefit according to that. So even this is a dashboard page. If you want to create another website, this is a page for you. If you want to migrate your website on 10 web, if you have your WordPress website or a Wix created website, you can migrate to this and host it over the cloud, and you would know what are the benefits of having a site over the cloud, right? If you need any assistance, just go there and enter your queries, and the web 10 web team would be catering it for you. You would get a dedicated account manager as well for setting up and giving you all the demonstration if you are stucking at any place. And you can also view your website, you can access your dashboard, you can do the changes. So as of now, if you select a test plan, then it will help you to take a trial for 7 days and observe and analyze if this platform, whatever you have created a product, you have built it actually a product at your end, right? That means even you can be a solopreneur for your e-commerce store. You can manage at your end, right? You can do the marketing and grow it over the social media. There are enormous amount of possibilities that you can do at your end. So this is a test version what I have showed you. This is a dashboard of once you take in the plan, you would get the access for all the features that you're looking into. That you can choose your business region, right? And you can add new product, add it to your site, add a custom domain, select your payment gateway, and all the themes. You can do the CMS changes, right? You can add the services, or you can add plugins once you take into a paid plan. So this is a live environment, and this live environment is just for a demo purpose. So you can see and observe according to the time. So here you would get an analytics of the product, right? All the visitors that are using your products, which location, what users are using to search you over the Google. So this is a great way to to learn and to develop a product just at your end. I would highly recommend you to use this product. You can use my link on over the description, and let me know if how what are the ratings you want to give for the product, and how user friendly you feel this application is for you. So now let me show you the test version of this, that how it looks like, right? So now I'm getting a test version of this product. See that clothing store that I have selected. You cannot, we haven't uploaded any images, so everything can be changed. All the settings, the headers, the footers, and the categories what we have selected, the prices. See, accordingly, the lehenga that I've selected, suit that I've selected, prices in whatever currency you want, you can do at your own pace, right? So see, everything is just created by UI, right? Just by AI, and everything is showing. You would get a studio of how it would be helping you to set up a graphic designer, a digital marketing agency. It is showing that if you want uh, 10 web to help you to set up doing that, if you are not a tech savvy, or if you do not have a time to do so, then they would also help you. So as of now, I'm just taking a 7 day trial just by entering some of my card details, and there I would good to go and use this product. So guys, check out this product and let us know in the comment section that how you like this product, and everything would be good to go. So here's your friend Anand Tugral signing off. Bye bye. Meet you in next video.